Welcome back, Power Tool fans. I'm Rob. We've got some breaking tool news. So you want a better utility knife. You don't want to spend a lot of money, but you still want it to be durable and last forever. Geez, you're needy. Lucky for you, Estwing has you covered again. Let's go. This is the Estwing Lockback 25mm folding utility knife, which just hit the shelves at Lowe's. And after a few weeks with this guy, we can't figure out why it's only $11. Let's start with the standard stuff. It uses the same replaceable blades as any standard retractable utility knife. Changing out the blades is insanely quick, as it should be. That's half the reason we carry utility knives, always sharp when you need it. Of course, the biggest difference between this and a retractable style is the folding part. It utilizes a lockback mechanism on the midpoint of the knife spine, ensuring a strong lock in place. This means you know when the blade's out, unlike traditional retractables, which sometimes don't close all the way, leading to accidents. The most significant difference is this brightly colored handle. Not only is it easy to find thanks to its bright blue and yellow grip, but it's thicker and sturdier than our retractable knife, and the shape gave us a much better hold. And if you want to make sure your new knife stays close, there's a lanyard hole in the back of the handle for a wrist strap or a paracord loop. This is not a fancy knife. It's a durable, reliable, and functional one. And because of this focus, it's affordable. As we publish this video, it's only $11 at Lowe's. It's also currently enjoying a 4.7 out of 5-star online rating, so I'm clearly not the only happy one.